Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another Softflex Company monthly mystery design kit. This kit retails for $34.95 and comes with everything you need to make a few pieces of jewelry, minus tools. And I'm going to put up maybe 3 or 4 pictures of the last 3 kits that I got and did tutorials with. So I'm going to link this kit down there below in the description bar, and sometimes it's sold out but sometimes it's not, so check the link and see if it's still available, because if it is, you can go buy this kit and you can do a project with me. So I'm also going to put links down there below in the description bar. You will see a link for their website, which is also here on the card, www.softflexcompany.com. And I'm also going to put a link down there for their YouTube channel, and if you go there you can watch them open this kit. You can also watch them do tutorials with this. There's several different designers that create projects with this kit, and I'm also going to link their Facebook page. Alright, so you will see all the links down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead, open this up, and check this out. So here's a list of everything we got, and I will be referring back to that. And by the way, my neighbor's getting their yard mowed, and every time I think he's almost done, he's not. He's just going on another lap around the yard, so I apologize for that. Okay, and I will hold on to this string because I have used it before to make tassels and stuff for the project, so I'll see. I always hold on to that. Ever since I did that, I'm like, I should hold on to that. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. Turquoise, pink, blue. Yes, the stuff that I love. Okay, so the theme for this is called Grateful Heart. Okay, we're gonna go over this together, and I do have to remove this because it makes the camera dark. It's annoying. Oh wow, this is so pretty. I don't think I've ever got that strand, or not strand, this color. Maybe I have. It might have been a really long time ago. Pink tourmaline. What was it? Lily Pulitzer or something like that. I think I might have got a kit with that color. That's so pretty. So I just did a tutorial with purple, pink, and blue. It was a bracelet tutorial, double strand bracelet tutorial, and it was made with 1 piece of wire and 1 crimp. I'll put a picture up now. So if you ever want to make a double strand bracelet, you don't need to use 2 crimps. You can make it just like I did in that video. So go ahead and check that tutorial out in case you missed it. But I did use pink, purple, and blue to make that, okay? So I'll go through that last. We have some beautiful strands here. I actually got this strand last month, I think, in 7mm. Yes, I made the necklace with it, with that awesome pendant with the paddle beads. This is, these are 7mm check fire polish beads, and this is pinch beads. And these are beautiful. Long time ago, I got this in a flower petal bead from Walmart when I was a kid. I had those beads forever, and I finally ended up making flowers with them. I'll put the picture up of the flowers I made with these pink and white clear marble swirl looking beads. They're so gorgeous. I don't see these very often, but I'll put a picture up of what I'm talking about. Look at the flower petals. Alright, okay, and then we have this awesome bag here. Oh my gosh, those rondelles are amazing. That pendant's cool. Look at that. Really pretty. The rondelles are really awesome. Okay, let's go to the list, but I already feel like I kind of went over most of the stuff. Okay, Softflex pink tourmaline color medium beading wire. So that's here. This here, and it is beautiful. I love this pink. Okay, after that is Soft Flex 2x2mm sterling silver crimp tubes, and their crimps are awesome. I really like them. Oh, and that bracelet that I just showed you, that double strand bracelet, I did make that with Soft Flex crimp because their crimps are so strong. Well made. Okay, so these are the crimp tubes. They're really thick quality and they're impossible to undo. So if you screw up your design, you're just gonna have to cut it apart because you can't undo it like a crimp, a cheap crimp. After that is silver plated ear wires with ball. So that's in here. I need something to dump this in. Oh my gosh. Oh, it says something on the side. Love is the key. That's cute. And I believe this is probably going to be Green Girl Studios. Oh great, now my dog's outside barking at the darn lawnmower guy. So here are the ear wires. Okay. And did I lose one? I did. I was going to say, what am I going to do with 3 ear wires? Okay, so there's all 4. And I'm just going to put them right back into the bag because they get stuck in my mat. And then after that is 12mm silver plated lobster claw clasp. Alright, that's here. I like their closures. They're pretty nice quality. And I use them just about every time. Last time I didn't use them though because I ended up using antique brass chain. So yeah, but I usually do use them most of the time. Okay, after that is 7mm check glass pink fire polish. Okay, so that's this bead here. And this is, I believe, the same one that I got last time. So it is treated. There's a pink color on here. This is not a permanent color. This bead is actually clear with this pink. I guess it's like a paint or a dye over top, and that's how that color there is made. But yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, after that is Jesse James Custom Bead Mix. That's this. We're going to go through that last because it's time consuming and I have to pour the beads out everywhere. Next thing is Green Girl Studios Love is the Key Connector. Alright, so you guys know I love making necklaces with this kit because of all the huge variety of beads we get. This here has a hole here and here. So yeah, you can make a pendant with it and have something dangling from the bottom, but you can also make an asymmetric piece where this could be on the side and then you can have the strand coming down here, draping down. I did some time ago make a asymmetric necklace that had 2 strands, but the strands were at the bottom and then it went up to 1 single strand, and then I ended up crimping that in the back and I never even used a clasp in it. So I'll put a picture up of what I'm talking about. 2 pictures actually. So this and something like that with even double strands at the bottom, that would look really cool. Okay, after that is 9x6mm check glass pink turquoise rondelles. That's these. I really want to use these, but I guess I'll see how it goes because sometimes I end up not using my favorite thing. I just go with what looks good in the box. Okay, there's a nice amount here. Those are beautiful. So it's blue on one side, pink on the other. And the bead is actually white. It's actually white and blue. I think it's a 2-tone bead. And then they put the purple over top, which might be terracotta, I think. The marble look. That's beautiful. This is a permanent bead. Okay, there's a nice amount there, so I'll put those in the baggie. And then, what's next? Check glass opaque turquoise. Is this right? Yeah. With metallic blue beads. Okay, so... Oh, I've got this before. I got this in a 3mm. There's two different ones here. Now I see. I got this in a 3mm, and I think I made a lariat with it or something. So this is opaque blue, and there is a blue, dark blue. It's like iris blue on the sides, but I think they call it azure or azul, something like that. So it's kind of like a AB coat, but it's not. It's different. It's really pretty. Okay, so there's still more of them. That'll take me forever to separate them. Alright, so the next thing is 10mm check glass clear pink beads. That's this here. It's a coin shape. It's so gorgeous. They're really, really pretty. I think I also have these in my stash in 6mm rounds. These beads are actually kind of hard to find. Yeah, they are just stunning. I think these also come in blue. White and blue. After that is 10mm glass blue pinch beads. So that's this here. These are pretty. I like the color. Okay, and these come in like a... No, I'm thinking about the Lucerne bicone. These come in 2 different sizes that I have seen so far. Lucerne bicone comes in like 3 sizes, and I love that bead. After that is check glass matte onyx beads. So that's going to be this. Yeah, they don't say fire polish. It just says check beads on that one. So it's matte black with AB on it. So it looks really darn cool. They're 4mm. After that is check glass pink hearts. That's these. These look really cool. These almost, if they weren't stripy, almost looks like cherry quartz. They're beautiful. I really like those. Oh wow, look at how this one has like a dark spot on there. Cool. I think this one has a bubble in the bottom of it. Okay, those are pretty. And that's the last of the list. So we're gonna go to the bag. Oh my gosh, the heart's amazing. There's 3? This right here, I've never seen this before. This is, that is so cool. This is Chinese crystal heart, but look at how there's an outline around the bead. All 3 of them are like that. That's amazing. How did they do that? Yeah, all 3 of them look like that. That is gorgeous. I love this bead. Really pretty. Okay, then there's a teardrop. This one has luster on it though. And it has that outline too, but it's not as noticeable as it is on the heart. Really pretty. Those are just gorgeous, okay? And then, oh my gosh. I've never seen this one. It's like a hexagon or something. Does it have a rounded hole? No, it doesn't. We were getting coin ones. Oh, here's another one that have rounded holes. These are turquoise. This is more green turquoise though, and this one's more blue, but I love the shades. Those are beautiful. Okay, and then we have some matte crackle beads. These are 10mm. I just recently saw a matte crackle bead for the first time. I thought it was really beautiful. Pretty. And then we have Howlite turquoise. These are, I think, 10mm. Or are they 8? No, that's 7. I think they're 10. Those are beautiful. Okay, and we got 5. Odd number. Makes it a little more challenging. And there's another one of those. I don't know how I missed that. Okay. This is making me think of Barbie, this kit here. And then we have these. I got these last time, I think, in red. And I used all of them. This is an olive-shaped Chinese crystal bead. This is AB. First I thought it was luster, so I'd stop and take a look. Has AB on it. They're very pretty. Okay. And then we have tubes. Yeah. I think these are howlite too, or are they plastic? No, they're howlite. Or magnesite. I actually don't know how to tell them apart. But I like that shape. That is pretty. And I don't have that shape in my stash. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, what is this? It's a bead that seems to have wire stuck to it. It's really bizarre. So that looks like there's chain on it. This one doesn't have it. See, there's the hole. So there's, so I'll have to cut that off and then I can use it. And then, how many are there? 6? 7? 7. I got several odd numbers. Usually I have even numbers. Okay. And then what is this on the other side? Oh wow, I've never seen one completely silver. Usually these have a black patina on them, but this does not. It's completely silver. And I have a bunch of these. But they're not all from the same place. I have these from like several different people, or I bought them and they've come on things in my stash, but they all are different looking. It's bizarre. Some are like really thick, some are thinner. Okay, so I love it when they give the bead caps because I feel like that's what really makes the necklaces look amazing. Here's more. These are filigree. This is like 7 or 8 millimeter round. There's a lot of these. Yes. Oh my gosh, thank goodness they gave me so many. There's another one of those caps. Is that another odd number? I think there's 5 of those. Okay, I don't know how many there are of those. I did not count them, but those are little guys. And then these are beautiful. This bead here, I believe, is also clear. I gotta put it to my lamp. Yes, bead. And they put this metallic coat on them. That is like the most mirrored one I've ever seen. Very mirror looking. It's beautiful. I've never seen that shape before. And then we have some Chinese crystals, rondelles. These are painted. This crazy color can only be achieved by painting or dyeing the bead. Super bright. Okay. And then I love flowers. These are so small. I've never seen these this tiny. These are acrylic or lucite. That's something else I don't know. What's the difference between acrylic and lucite? I gotta figure that out too. So I have 5. Again, odd numbers. Usually they give even numbers. Okay. And then here we have 8. Oh my gosh. These are rhinestone rondelles and they got AB. I love that they gave us AB. That's going to be really fun and really bring this piece together. So those are epic. You can't see them that well on the mat because they want to lay on our side. But those are gorgeous. I got these one time with copper. Copper with AB rhinestones, and it was just like the prettiest. They're so beautiful. Alright, so here is everything I am getting in this kit. I feel like that went super fast. And the neighbor's mower guy is finally done. So here's everything I got, and I will be doing a tutorial with this kit, and I'll come back and show you what I'm making and show you how to make it. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Softflex kit opening. Remember, I'm going to link it down there below in the description bar with other links. So thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.